Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the deficiency of two very important nutrients for our body, vitamin D and calcium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, and a deficiency in either of them can lead to various health issues. So, let's dive in and find out more about this topic. Vitamin D and calcium are two essential nutrients that work together to keep our bones, teeth, and muscles healthy. Vitamin D helps our body absorb calcium from the food we eat, and without it, our body cannot use the calcium effectively. This can lead to weak bones, which can cause conditions like rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. While vitamin D is mainly obtained from sunlight, it can also be found in foods like fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products, like milk, yogurt, and cheese. For example, a cup of milk can provide about 30% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin D. Calcium, on the other hand, is found in dairy products, like milk, cheese, and yogurt, green leafy vegetables, such as kale, collard greens, and spinach, and fortified cereals, like oatmeal and breakfast bars. For instance, a cup of yogurt can provide about 30% of the daily recommended intake of calcium. A deficiency in either of these nutrients can have serious health consequences. In children, a lack of vitamin D can cause rickets, which is a condition that leads to soft and weak bones. In adults, a deficiency in vitamin D can cause osteoporosis, a condition where bones become brittle and fragile, making them more susceptible to fractures. A lack of calcium in the diet can also lead to weakened bones and teeth, which can result in osteoporosis and dental problems. Symptoms of a calcium deficiency can include muscle cramps, weakened bones, and numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. So, it's important to make sure you're getting enough of these nutrients in your diet or through supplementation. Talk to your healthcare provider to determine the right amount for you. And there you have it. The importance of vitamin D and calcium cannot be overstated when it comes to maintaining good health. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the importance of getting enough of these nutrients in your diet. Remember to include foods rich in vitamin D and calcium in your diet to keep your bones and muscles strong and healthy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.